Hey you guys, Heather Hooker here from the Fit Mom Tribe, and I have something exciting to share with you guys today. I saw a friend who had subscribed to something called the Keto Box, which is a monthly box where they send you an assortment of snacks that are high fat, low carb, keto friendly, and she loved it. So I decided to try it, and my first one came in. Yay! So I'm going to go through these items really quickly and give you just like the rundown on them. So the first thing is this Focus blood orange sparkling water with a little bit of caffeine. This has 0 calories, 0 sugar, and actually has 2 grams of protein. Let me see what the protein comes from. I'm not sure what the protein comes from, but I think this is delicious. I love sparkling water and I love blood orange. I think that would be a perfect afternoon pick me up on those crazy days. So the next thing is these coconut oil and ghee packets. It's a 50-50 blend. It's a 50-50 blend of coconut oil and ghee for your coffee. I think these would be so great for traveling to throw into your travel bag. Or actually, I would probably just keep these in my purse as a way to add in some extra fat on those days when you get caught running around and you get hungry. This is way better than fast food. Let's see. Oh, okay. So let me tell you the nutrition facts. So serving size is 1 tablespoon, 120 calories, 14 grams of fat, total carbs, 0 grams of carbs. And there are, how many packets are in here? There's 5 of these packets. These are so, I don't know, I haven't tried this yet, obviously, but I love little packets like this that you can take traveling. Okay, so next thing we have this Keto faux Nutella. I love Nutella. So this is called Nutella sugar-free chocolate hazelnut spread. And there's 3 servings per container. And it says a serving size is 1 cup. Oh, okay, so a serving size is 1 of these, and I have 3. So it's 130 calories, 10 grams of fat, 16 grams of total carbs, and 12 grams of dietary fiber. So tons of fiber in these. I actually tried this a minute ago, and it does taste like Nutella. The texture is a little bit differently. The texture is more like a super thick frosting. All right, so next is the Gilded Nut Mediterranean Herb Pistachios. I tried these also. They are delicious. They're very messy, so I wouldn't feed these to my kids. You can see they're covered in herbs on the outside and the inside. This is definitely a different change of pace from normal pistachios, which come in basically salted and unsalted, as far as I've seen. So this is really yummy. It's 13 grams of fat, 160 calories per serving, total carbs 8, with dietary fiber 3 grams of dietary fiber. So 5 grams of carbs on these per serving. That's a little high, but okay. Next is these Mexican Harvest flax crackers that are Mexican flavored. When you open this package up, it smells just like a packet of McCormick taco seasoning. Serving size 5 crackers, calories 135, 9 grams of fat, 11 grams total carbs with 7 grams of dietary fiber. Now, I love Mexican food. Mexican food is on my meal plan for this week, but I would not eat these flax crackers just as a snack. I think that they would be delicious dipped in guacamole or with avocado, topped with avocado. I would even think that they would be really good if you made a taco meat bowl with melted cheese on top and you kind of use the crackers to scoop them up, like sort of like a keto nacho. I think they would be really good like that. All right, so next is Coco Poli, sugar-free chocolate. And this is a giant bar. You can see it's the size of my head. It's huge. Half of this bar has 180 calories, 18 grams of fat, total carbs 16 grams, fiber 9 grams. So this is a lot of chocolate per serving. I tried one little piece earlier. I do like to eat dark chocolate. I don't think that this chocolate is, well, I like dark chocolate, first of all. But the keto chocolate that I've tasted before, it's not super sweet. So I like to take chocolate like this and dip it in almond butter as a little nighttime snack or a little sweet tooth curb. So I think this is good. I think it would be better dipped in almond butter. But the macros look great, and this is a good option. Best for last. So, oh, I gotta sit down. Okay, so this is called Butte. It is a salted caramel pecan bar, and let's see, the nutrition facts. So it has 220 calories, 17 grams of fat, 10 grams of carbs, but 9 grams of dietary fiber. So only 1 net carb for this bar, and I'm telling you, I've never heard of this company. I've never tried this bar before, but it was a soft bar. It wasn't a hard bar, and it tasted just like the Blondie that comes on the skillet that you get at Applebee's, which I used to be obsessed with that place. Now, I used to work there. I used to be obsessed with the Blondie. You guys, this is the best keto-friendly bar that I have tried, and I have tried a lot of them. I ate the whole thing already. I'm not even embarrassed. I'm not even ashamed. I'm definitely going to check this company out. I'm going to be ordering more of these bars, and I'm also going to be seeing what other kind of products that they have. So overall, super impressed with the Keto Box. I have never heard of any of these brands. I've never seen any of these products in my local grocery stores. So this is all new stuff to me, and I feel like now that I've tried some of these products, I have other things that I can look forward to. I don't think did I talk about this cauliflower? Okay, last one. So this is a cauliflower snack. It's basically cauliflower in oil and spices, and it's soft. So it's kind of weird. It's not like dried. It's sort of like cold cauliflower. It has a good flavor. If you really love olives, it sort of has like an olive flavor. This is my least favorite thing out of this box. But I do want to just mention it. Overall, still super impressed. I cannot wait to get my Keto Box next month. I'm going to look and see if I can find some sort of like coupon code. If you want to try the Keto Box, I will post my link down below. But thanks for tuning in.